Had a problem where actually water was starting to come out of the valve here. Some days the shop is fixing up old crap, and some days the shop is fixing the crapper. Had a problem where actually water was starting to come out of the valve here, and we're like, why is that? As we dug into the toilet, this is what we found. Okay, today's problem with the toilet is somebody has replaced the overflow with a taller one in this tank, and what the problem is this overflow is actually taller than the hole for the mechanism that flushes the toilet. So in the event that this goes bad and continues to run, the water will come up and it will never reach the point that it overflows. It'll actually start leaking out the front of the toilet onto the floor. And if it gets bad enough, it'll flood. So this is a problem that we have to fix. What we're going to do is we're going to take this off and we're going to measure the height of our flush mechanism, and we're going to cut this off with a Dremel tool to a lower height so that we will not get a flood in our house. Okay, now that we've cut it off with the Dremel tool, you'll see that the height of this is shorter than the height of this. We've measured it. So now, in the event that this flow valve stops working and the water comes up to the height of this, it will flow into the toilet bowl and it will not flow out onto the floor. Thanks for being with us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back often.